The ultimate DIY pizza, tips and tricks for perfect homemade pizza. Ever dream of crafting the perfect pizza in your own kitchen? Forget delivery. Let's unlock the secrets to homemade pizza that rivals your favorite pizzeria. Making pizza at home is more than just cooking. It's an experience. It's a chance to get creative, customize flavors, and share deliciousness with loved ones. Plus, you control every ingredient, ensuring freshness and quality. Say goodbye to mystery toppings and hello to pizza perfection. The foundation of any great pizza lies in its ingredients. Let's break down the essentials for a truly unforgettable homemade pie. First, you'll need high-quality flour, preferably 00 flour for that authentic Italian texture. This flour creates a light and airy crust. Next, grab some active dry yeast, warm water, and a touch of sugar to activate it. This is the magic that makes your dough rise. Don't forget good quality olive oil, sea salt, and your favorite pizza sauce. These simple ingredients create a symphony of flavors. The dough is arguably the most important part of your pizza. Let's dive into the process of creating the perfect base. Start by activating your yeast in warm water with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foam. In a large bowl, combine your flour and salt. Then add the yeast mixture and olive oil. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, creating a chewy crust. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and let it rise for at least an hour or until doubled in size. Patience is key. Choosing the right sauce can elevate your pizza to new heights. From classic marinara to pesto, the possibilities are endless. For a traditional marinara, opt for high-quality canned tomatoes, garlic, oregano, and a touch of basil. Simmer it down for a rich flavor. When spreading the sauce, use a spoon and leave a small border for the crust. Avoid over-saucing as it can make the pizza soggy. This is where you can truly let your creativity shine. Experiment with different cheeses, meats, vegetables, and herbs. Classic combinations like pepperoni and mozzarella are always a hit. But don't be afraid to try something new, like prosciutto and arugula. Consider the balance of flavors and textures. A little bit of spice, a touch of sweetness, and a variety of textures can create a culinary masterpiece. The baking process is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy crust. Here are a few tips to ensure pizza perfection. Preheat your oven to the highest temperature possible, ideally with a pizza stone or baking steel inside. This helps create a crispy bottom crust. If you don't have a pizza stone, you can use a baking sheet. Just make sure it's preheated as well. Slide your pizza onto the hot stone or baking sheet and bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Even the most experienced pizza makers encounter problems from time to time. Let's address some common issues and how to fix them. If your crust is too tough, it could be due to over-kneading or using the wrong type of flour. Try using 00 flour and kneading less. If your pizza is soggy, it could be due to over-saucing or using too many wet toppings. Drain excess moisture from your toppings before adding them. If your pizza is burning, lower the oven temperature or move the pizza to a lower rack. Keep a close eye on it while it's baking. Now you're armed with the knowledge to create incredible homemade pizza. It's time to roll up your sleeves, get in the kitchen, and start experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and learn from them. The more you practice, the better your pizza will become. Ready to become a pizza pro? Subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and tricks. Like this video and share it with your fellow pizza lovers. Let us know in the comments what your favorite pizza toppings are. Happy cooking!